our objective of this experiment is three-phase semi-controlled converter with heater load. So apparatus required is Syntec 2700 high voltage power electronic slab. It consists of 3 thyristors and 3 diodes. Semi-controlled converter means it is operate only one quadrant. That is, it is used for the speed control of DC motor drives, for the industrial motor drives, and other applications for the forklift trucks. And to first we discuss about three-phase semi-controlled converter. It consists of 3 thyristors, and 3 thyristors means 3 pulses we have required. The pulse is given with the help of 3-phase firing circuit. It consists of line synchronization which compared with the comparators, and we are getting the pulses from G1, G2, G3, G4, G5 and G6, and this pulses is provide the gate signal to the thyristor T1 means SCR1, 2 and 3, and 3 diodes means uncontrolled rectifier, means 3 controlled rectifier, 3 uncontrolled rectifiers we have required. So next step is the connection diagrams. So connection diagrams, this is 3 phase. First we have required R phase. R is connected to the anode point. All 3 points are sorted. Anode to the SCR1. Next point is supply Y point is connected to the SCR2 anode point. Next is the B point is connected to the SCR3 anode point. And next step is all the cathodes are sorted. This anode SCR1 sorted, and 2 sorted to the 3. Next point is connection of diodes. So next point is we have connected to the this anode for the thyristors 1 and to the cathode point of diode D1. Okay. Next is similar way. That is T2 anode cathode of B2. Next point is anode cathode point, and all the anodes are sorted. Anode point, all 3 diode D1, D2 and D3 are sorted. So you can take any points, this points, and these points are connected to this points. And next point is connect from one point to the load. So load is taken from from this cathode point to the load, across the load, and other point is this point is connected from the anode to the load, anode of diode to the load. And next point is this load connected, heating load across Next, DSO is connected across the load. So this is power circuit diagram. Power circuit diagram is completed. Next point is the control signal diagrams. Control signal diagrams provide the gate pulse to the thyristors SCR1, 2 and 3. So next step is control signal diagrams. The control signal means this G is connected to the G1 and this cathode point is connected to the K1 and G3 is connected from the G of SCR2 and K3 point is connected to the cathode points and G5 point is connected to the gate terminals and K5 connected to the cathode terminals. Next is supply for the control signals. Supply, this is 2 mm patch cord. R is connected to the R low voltage signals. Y is connected to the Y points. B point is connected to the B points. And neutral points is connected to the neutrals and connected to the neutral points. And 12 volt, this is connected to the 12 volt and GND is connected to the ground terminals. Ground is connected to the ground terminals. GND is connected to the ground terminals. Okay. So this is control diagrams and power diagrams. Both diagrams are completed. So next step is turn on the low voltage signals. Next step is turn on the 3-phase low voltage power supply. And next step is to turn on power circuit. Okay, next step is turn on the low voltage signal, single phase low voltage, because the 12 volt supply is connected here. And next step is turn on the 3-phase low voltage power supply. It given power supply to the 3-phase firing circuits, and firing circuit provide the pulse to the thyristors. And last point is turn on the 3-phase power supply. This is power circuit. So next is change the firing controls. Here we are getting the output voltage near about to 100 volt and current is 1.72 ampere. Here load is heating load and firing angle is near about to 100 degree. And here this will display the output voltage, RMS voltage, ampere currents, all the values are displayed. Next, change the control signals. Change the output voltage is near about to 200 volt and current is 3.2 amperes. Means change the firing angle control and change the output voltage. And again 200, again 97 volt, 3 volt, 95 volt, 100 volt and change. That means our objective is change the control signals, means we are controlling the gate pulse of the thyristors, change the output voltage and output current. That means it is applicable for the speed control of DC motors, heating loads, other industrial applications. So thank you.